Everybody, before we get into this morning's update, I want to go over a quick overview of what's transpiring this morning. First, as we know, we had the 1 billion XRP dump from Escrow this morning. It happens on the first of every month. XRP's price right now is down 1.27%. All of crypto is a little bearish right now, as we can see a clear catalyst here of the DXY being at 102.273. So right now, we're watching this. We talked last week. And now the start of the trading week, how it had to come up, it looked like, as long as we didn't come through 100.34, it looked like we were going to come up to 102.60. We don't know how much higher it can go, but this is what it's looking like for the US dollar here. So as that goes up, risk assets, gold and silver, cryptos, all get hit hard. As you can see, gold's down almost 20 bucks an ounce. You've got silver down 44 cents an ounce, or 1.81%, down twice as much as gold. So that's where we're at right now. So good morning, 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Tuesday, August 1st, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I want to get right into these charts. I got to help Julie get out the door as she's going to she's going to her therapy. So right now, what we're looking at with XRP is we maintained, and it looks better than it could. Let's just put it that way. With the 1 billion XRP dump from Escrow, we came back down again to the 673, which we talked about yesterday. As we dumped down, now we had to fill this out. Now the possibility is, can we push out and actually break out here? So we're on the outside of the Bullflag. So if we're going to be optimistic this morning, we're still on the outside of the Bullflag. We bounced down to the actual true support of 673, which essentially creates you a triple bottom here. So is this going to hold? Is this the start of a bigger rally? It's somewhat of a good sign that 1, 2, we've had 3 hits on the horizontal support now. So if this were to hold after the 1 billion escrow dump, we survived the escrow dump now. That's good news. But now you see we came right down. This is 2.10 million, and now we're starting to consolidate back up. We're on top of the Bullflag, and now we've put in 360,000 so far in this 30-minute candle. That's not going to get it done. We need a volume spike here, and now you've created an uptrending resistance that you are going to have to break through before you can do anything when you get up here. So if you're going from this area, we've created an uptrending resistance right around 73.2 approximately. So that's what we're looking at here for XRP. This is very urgent, though, because if we fall back within the Bullflag and then we break down, we know that 585 area, and let's pay very close attention to this, and we'll look at the daily just so you can see it easier. But we've created this cup and handle pattern, and technically in this cup and handle pattern, it could come down to this 585 to retest the breakout point and put a bullish handle on the cup. And you can see right here where it came down right around 58 cents, built back up. This is where it's trying to build the handle if it comes down any farther. It doesn't have to, but if we do break the Bullflag on the cup and handle pattern, just be aware that 585, which is just below the broadening wedge breakout and just above the pattern formation breakout, which could, in fact, even if you came down with a quick wick, it could lead you down to about 55 cents. But that's only... This is a preface. This is only if we are unable to hold the Bullflag. The longer you ride the Bullflag as support like we are right now, we're showing a lack of sellers in this area. The fact we have a lack of sellers could allow us to still push up. If we keep being transparent, this is now in this area. So we continue, but it's basically set up now for the breakout point next to it. I mean, we basically rode all the way down this Bullflag. Remember what we talked about a couple days ago? I'm going to delete this one. It's so close to the other one, it doesn't matter. We talked about this a few days ago. When the escrow dump, best case scenario would be come down to the 673 or overshoot to about 659, 66 cents on this uptrend. And then we bounce back up with escrow to the top of the Bullflag. We did exactly that. So can we hold this? Is there something bigger forming? Or is this just the end of the pattern now? Is this just, hey, standard operating procedure? To me, you keep attempting to break this Bullflag. Eventually, since you haven't been able to break down even the 673 support, we put in a triple bottom now. Is this triple bottom going to hold? Is the breakout point going to be from the triple bottom? Or are we going to have to go down a little bit farther? So that's what I'm looking at this morning. Volume portfolio still doesn't suggest a dump. It really doesn't. With the massive volume that came in on the push up, and now you're looking at the huge decrease in volume. This is such a bullish divergence when it comes to price volume to action, or price action in comparison to price volume. There's just no volume here. It completely fell off, and some will tell you, yeah, this is a sign that we're going to dump. I say don't be so sure until we lose the bull flag. If we lose the bull flag, we know the exact target we're coming down to. We know we should be coming down to 585. Fulfill that inverted head and shoulders, the inverted right arm. Complete the handle on the cup and handle pattern, which it can already do up here. But I'm just saying, for transparency, it can come down to that 585 level approximately. That would also confirm a double top breakout. The pattern double top, we would confirm it finally. We have not had a formation retest since the bull flag breakout. So that's the other thing that I looked down a little bit farther if we were to break. But right now, we are formed well within this. You can call it a pennant flag, a bull flag, whatever you're more comfortable with. But we're firmly within this right now. So this is an XRP update. I did show you the DXY, but pay very close attention here, ladies and gentlemen. XRP is in a very inaudacious spot. We survived the 1 billion escrow dump, but now we need to see if we can get the bulls help. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this, make sure you hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're looking to trade XRP in the USA with no VPN or KYC, go to FEMX. It's in the video description below and or pinned comments. Lowest spot maker fees. And if you're only sending funds from exchange to exchange, you don't have to do a KYC, and you can do $50,000 a day.